Welcome to Critter Academy, where we learn to be the best we can be. Foxes are sly and birds take flight. Together we shine, we'll do what's right.
Turtles dive slow, dolphins leap high. Everyone's got their own piece of the sky. Bears are strong and bees are sweet. All of us here can't be beat.
Critter Academy, come along. Join the chorus, sing our song. We are smart and we're so free. Critter Academy, watch and see.
Giraffe standing tall in a perfect view. Squirrels gather nuts like they always do. Elephants